Alright, how you guys doing? I'm making this video because apparently there is nothing on the internet about how to do this. You can buy the sensor all day long, but you can't find the wiring for it. So I'm gonna put a I'm gonna put a link, right? A link. You know what? I'm not doing that. This is gay. The process is fairly simple. The rats have chewed out this wire right here. This is the I.A.C wire. You can get the sensor, but you have a hard time getting the wire. Basically, you're going to take this box off. This bolt here, this bracket. Come around. Loosen this. You'll free the box. It's just held in by a little clamp. I'm gonna take this off, and then I'll show you what you gotta do. Basically, you're gonna take this sensor off and splice into this wire harness and splice a new wire in. Fairly simple. Alright, motherfucker. It's cold.